November is time for MANtenance.
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 MANtenance, as they call it.
See what we did there?
It's so important to stay on top of your health.
This is the 4th year of the campaign.
We host it every November, and it's a number of events.
We are at SoulCycle.
Uncorked Kitchen.
Daddy training camp that topped off.
UCHealth hosted a beard trimming event at the Rosemont Barbershop.
Saw you guys were doing flu shots, so we decided to jump in and take care of ourselves.
Talk about new dads and what we should be expecting.
This is a good way to remember that this is important, and men's health is very important.
Hanging out with your buddies, getting a bike ride in.
We want men to focus on their whole health.
I've actually been able to train longer and more consistently because I've been able to take care of my physical health and my emotional health better than I used to.
Guys just don't take care of their health. Why is that, you think?
As a man, you don't really want to admit that anything's wrong.
We're built to be tough and wear that armor.
We're good at being lazy. It's easy to have bad habits.
You come into his life and you see his routine one way. He knows no different.
You have to make a little bit of an effort as you get older to stay in shape and to stay healthy and to feel good.
I look pretty good for a 77-year-old guy.
Cancer survivor Nathan Kissick is battling a form of lymphoma.
I went through some very intense treatment at UCHealth and came out on the other side okay. My hair's back and everything. It's nice to get your hair cut.
I'm loving the initiative that UCHealth is taking for the month of November and MANtenance.
I think of Noah and my other son Leland, and I need to take care of myself to take care of them.
I owe it to my wife Lisa and to my kids to stay healthy and be there for them and have energy for them.
One of the best decisions I've ever made was to be a father. Something bad's going on. The moment you hit that house, it's like you kind of forget about it because that energy just bombards you.
We're redefining what a man is. It's not just all about toughing it out and looking the other way. It's knowing that your health is the most important thing you have.